All right, are we ready for part 2 of your final geography project? What we're going to do here is we're going to put together all of your personal PhotoArc pictures so that you have your own PhotoArc. What I'd like you to do is go to Adobe Spark. When you're here, click on Create a Project. We're going to go Video. Photo Arc. Excellent. All right. There's a bunch of different ones that you can pick from here. Let me move my face. There we go. Make up your own is probably the easiest. All right, you can watch the tutorials if you want, or you can watch me and this much more entertaining tutorial. All right, go full screen. Okay, now to change the background, I don't really like it blue, so we'll go to Theme, and we'll go here, and we'll just make it white. That'll be easy. All right, now we need to start adding pictures. Go here, Photo. Upload a photo. Do you remember where I told you to save all of your PhotoArc pictures? We're going to go to that file. Okay. Once you're here, click on one of those images. Let's click on this one and go open. And there we are. Now, down here in the corner, it has seconds. That tells you how many seconds this picture will stay on the screen. I like to make them about 5. Give people enough time to read the information that you put on there. Let me move my face one more time. All right, we are done with our first slide. Add another one. And we'll do the same thing. We will upload another photo. So I'll pause it, and here we go with our second photo. Now, sometimes the photos will either be too big or too small. You can always adjust the size. We'll go down here, set it for 5 seconds again, and we'll do it one more time. And here is our next photo. You can put these in any order you want. I think it looks cooler if you go black, white, but that is completely up to you. Now we'll see if this one, like this one. See, the picture is a little bit too big, so we can edit that. If you go here, we'll zoom down until it fits on your screen. Once again, we will adjust our time, and we'll do it again. Okay, when you have them all loaded on here, and even down here, you can pull them and you can reorder the slides if you want to. Up here at the top, there is music, and you can pick any of the songs that you want to go with it, and those will go with your slideshow. When you are happy with the music that you picked and how your pictures look, down here, let's look at what it looks like. And here's just an example of what your finished product will look like. Well, see, this one I'll have to adjust it because the words aren't on there. And there you go. And once you're all done with it, you will share it with me. You can. Okay, that took a lot longer than I thought, but yeah, go up to this share button, and then it'll say get sharing link. And you do that. Here is the link. You will email that to me. You can go right here and send it to whoever you want, your finished product. So that's what it looks like. Hope you guys had fun making it.